at Broke East. My hair is. They might give it this. We're at Broke East. We're at Broke East today. I got Siren, Michael, who you were gonna see in the last video, but we didn't do his oil change. Courtney, my boy Jeremy, and there's 2 other people here, and I don't know where they went already. I already lost them. But we're here. I'll film whatever I can, but I'm gonna film probably a lot of like B-roll of cars and stuff. And there's also a drift event going on.
Why the fuck you lying?
So I'll probably film some of that. And yeah, I'll just show you guys all the cool builds we got out here today. So let's get it. What's up, guys? We're out here today. Sorry, I did the same thing.
The louder we get, the bigger the sons are gonna be! Come on now, folks, be alive! Now remember something. Come on, be alive! Pushing on up the night down and pussy. Come on, folks, let me hear you get loud. 75 feet.
That's static. That's crazy. It's popping the headlights.
I mean, it is a Miata, let's be honest.
Alright, you got one to drive through. Wow.
Matt Miller's little cousin didn't make it. There we go. There we go. That's zebra front seats are it.
A lot of people are gonna be getting out now.
Go home. Wah, 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 wah.
Two girls, two turbos.
Oh wow! He was holding it down too.
Well, it's the single light car here. Wondering why they're single hanging out in the Miata. I like your devotion, but you're about to lose.
Alright. Oh my god, that's so
It
bad.
wasn't even close.
Not even.
Not even a little.
No.
All right. That matches the car. Let's leave that there.
Turbo's cleared it.
You should have parked right under there and grabbed it so you burned it a little bit. Before it burned you.
Are the RC cars coming through?
Hey, hold on, you gotta raise the bar, I got the wing, it's too high.
Alright, roll them shit through. Come on.
Don't be looking at me, this is stressful, alright?
I really hope your battery dies before you get into the pole.
Deja vu, I've just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
With space.
Touch it, don't you touch it.
We got a #1 victory royale, yeah.
What's up, guys? We're back home. I forgot to film an outro at the event, but I'm just gonna film one now. We're back home. Had a good time. Filmed a lot of B-roll, basically. Low car limbo was cool, but there wasn't much. I thought this event was gonna have drifting at it. That's gonna be the next event. That's at Wicked Big Meet. So we'll I'll definitely gonna be there for that. I got a couple more meets coming up. There's one next weekend. Wicked Big Meets the following weekend, and then there's another one in July sometime. But gonna probably be going to a couple more events. I didn't get much today. All I grabbed was a couple Hot Wheels. I don't even want to put these down on my car. I grabbed a couple Hot Wheels. I got the R33 and HKS van. Super fire. I've been looking for that set for a while. And then I got a silver 22B, and Jeremy actually bought me this WRX, which is pretty sweet. So shout out to Jeremy. Sorry, I'm just dropping my phone. But yeah, so we got some more videos coming up soon. But hope you guys enjoyed, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, man.